The world's most expensive air fryer, the Typhur Dome 2. It boasts that it can cook a 12-inch pizza or 32 chicken wings. We're going to find that out today, because that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to cook a 12-inch pizza and 32 chicken wings. Let's see how it copes. Let's jump straight into it. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Simon and welcome to One Air Fryer Too Many. And like I've just said, today we are looking again at the Typhur Dome 2, and it is currently the world's most expensive air fryer on the market. It's £449.99, but currently it's on offer for £399.99. The link to this is below in the description if you fancy it, and you will also find a 10% discount link. Right, this unboxing last week has received some very interesting comments. Quite a few about chicken. Oh, you can't cook a whole chicken. Well, you can if you spatchcock it, and actually in this drawer a spatchcock chicken should cook fantastic. Now this also does state that it is one of the fastest air fryers to cook the food on the market currently, and it has a self-clean function. Not tested the self-clean function yet, so I can't really feedback on that yet, but it is also app connected. Head over to the unboxing video I did last week and check out a detailed review of all of its functions and what it does and the size. But for today's video, we're going to get cracking straight off, and we're going to get doing some wings. Now, like you, I thought, how are we going to get 32 wings in here? I'm not sure we can, so we're going to start off easy. We're going to go with the pizza first. Got pepperoni pizza. We're going to put that in and we're going to see how it does. Right, let's open her up, and straight away you'll see that pizza from Aldi fits no problem at all, with a little bit of room around the side. So that was a Carlos double pepperoni pizza. Let's bang it in, and with the speed of YouTube we can get it cooked nice and quick. So we are on, and we are going to go to pizza, and I'm going to change the heat down, I think about 8 minutes tops. I am going to pump it up to 180 as well. Again, all these presets can be changed in the app as well, and then I'm going to press go. So let's see how that looks in a minute. Right, pizza. You can hear the sizzle. What do you reckon? For me, that's one of these little pizzas. Not bad. Done. Right, let's now see about these chicken wings, shall we? I'm just going to move this back a bit so you can actually see us putting these in. I bought 3 bags from Aldi of the different chicken wings that they do. So, and I'll tell you why I bought these in a sec. Once we work out. So there's 16 in a bag of the sticky ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, only 14 in the other, so we need to open another bag. So originally I was going to get the fresh chicken wings, marinate them and put them in. However, after after looking at the size of fresh chicken wings, there's not a chance you are getting 32 of those in this. Not a chance. So I thought, you know what, let's be fair to it. It did probably mean this style chicken wing. So I've just got 40 chicken wings. Let's see how they cook. Right, I'm just going to go and wash my hands and then I can put this back in. Right, back in. Right, let's just stop that. Let's go to wings, wherever wings is, there it is. And I'm actually going to knock this up to 25 minutes because the packet says that they take half an hour in a fan oven. So I'm going to drop it down to 25 minutes at 200 and then we'll check it after probably 20 minutes. And it says it's cooking, so let's crack on. We're done. Whoa! Look at that tray. Beautiful. Right, and there we have it. In 45 minutes, I've just cooked 3 Aldi pizzas and 40 chicken wings. Not 32, 40 chicken wings. Now, if you'd like to see me try and cook 32 proper chicken wings, like homemade buffalo wings or something, or the chicken lollipops, like in this video here, that I did in the Kasori air fryer, let me know. Overall, I must say, this is a quiet air fryer in comparison to others that I use. The basket is great, it's huge, as in the actual floor space of the basket. I just wish that the depth was a little bit bigger than it was, but it managed all this fine. So this is your cup of tea and you like the design of this, then it could be for you. Let me know in the comments, do you like the air fryer, what do you think of the price, and do you have pineapple on pizza? Right, let me know what you'd like to see cooked in this in the future. Next week, join me because I've got a Kasori pressure cooker that I'm going to be looking at. Something I've never looked at before from the Kasori brand. So excited to have a look at that. Right, until next week guys, thanks a lot for watching.